very warm good morning to all of you. Myself Dinesh Kumar from RPIIT Technical and Medical Campus Karnal. Today I am going to discuss about breakfast. Breakfast. Introduction, type of breakfast courses, related terms. Introduction, breakfast is literally means breakfast. Example, a meal eaten after 7 or 8 hours of sleep. Breakfast is the combination of two words, break and fast. Breaking of fast after long break. The French terms for breakfast is petit déjeuner, which means the little lunch. Dietitians call it the most important meal of the day. Types of breakfast: continental breakfast, American breakfast, English breakfast, and Indian breakfast. If you talk about English breakfast, the full or English breakfast is more elaborate meal and require more preparations in the dining room before service the other meal. A full breakfast meal that is typically focus on meat items with the beverage such as coffee or tea. English breakfast: choice of fresh fruit juice, cuts fruit, sweetened fruit, choice of cereal, fish, egg, meat, and choice of assorted bread and beverage. Cover for full breakfast: joint knife and fork, juice glasses, underliner, teaspoon, fish knife and fork, dessert spoon and fork, side plate, B&B knife, napkin, breadboard, toast rack, butter dish on doily on side plate with the butter knife, preserves dish on doily on side plate with preserve spoon, breakfast cups and saucer and teaspoon, sugar basins and tongue, slope basins and tea strainer, cereal bowl on doily on under plate, jug of cold milk, salt and pepper crate set, ashtray, stand and under plates for pot and hot milk water jugs. American breakfast. The American breakfast is also offers multiple courses. It is a similar to an English breakfast, except that American breakfast does not offer any fish dish on the menu. American breakfast: choice of fresh fruit, juices or cuts fruits, stewed fruits, choice of cereals served with hot and cold milk, egg, meat, and choice of assorted bread served with butter and preserves, beverage, and cover for American breakfast: joint knife and fork, dessert spoon and fork, side plate, B&B knife, napkin, breadboard, toast rack, butter dish on doily, a side plate with butter knife, preserves dish on doily, a side plate with preserve spoon, breakfast cups and saucer and teaspoon, sugar basin and tongue, slope basin and tea strainer, cereal bowl on doily on a underplate, jug of cold milk, salt and pepper crate set, ashtray. Continental breakfast. The traditional continental breakfast consisted a simple hot croissant and broices of toast, butter and preserves of coffee as the beverage. Continental breakfast: choice of fresh fruit juice, choice of assorted bread, served with preserves and beverage. So thank you to all of you. Thank you very much. Thank you to all of you. So please like and subscribe our YouTube channel. If you have any doubt, then text me on dis@rpiit.com. So thank you to all of you.